see what is happening. I think there is more thing. This is the plant, I think. The whole thing over here. See, it's white.
Yes. So
Why
you are.
did they cut these? See, let me show you.
So they cut this tree down.
Yes, yes, yes. This is plastic and this is paper, okay? Plastic is harm for nature and trees. Why you just like plastic just takes only see more. Why you just throw plastics? It's harming the whole nature. Got it?
Yes.
No to plastic. Just yes to paper. Paper is nice for us. Paper is cutting for trees. That's why no paper. But don't use too much paper. Okay, because the trees are getting cutted and more. Okay, don't use too much paper. Okay. I think the bird will make nest over here. Come here. I think. See over here it's empty. It's empty.
It's empty.
Yeah, the birds could just lay their eggs here. Some of them. Over here, yes, over here, there are trees. They cut these trees and put it like forest.